Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to lift an Audi A6. First, locate the designated jack points on your vehicle's frame, typically near the wheels. Position a reliable hydraulic jack with a wide, flat lifting pad directly under one of these points. Before lifting, always ensure your car is on a completely level and firm surface to prevent any instability. This initial setup is crucial for safety and proper vehicle support. Safety is paramount when lifting any vehicle. Once your Audi A6 is raised to the desired height, immediately place two sturdy jack stands beneath the designated support points on the frame. These stands provide crucial secondary support, preventing the vehicle from falling if the hydraulic jack fails. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Always use jack stands for your protection. When lifting your Audi A6, it's often best to raise one axle at a time for better control and stability. For the front, locate the central front jack point, usually a reinforced cross member. For the rear, find the central rear differential or a designated frame point. Slowly pump the floor jack, observing the vehicle's stability as it rises. Ensure the jack remains centered and stable throughout the process. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your Audi A6. First, double-check that all tools and equipment are clear from underneath the vehicle. Slowly release the pressure on your hydraulic jack, allowing the car to descend gradually. Once the vehicle is fully resting on its wheels, and not before, carefully remove the jack stands. This controlled process ensures a safe return to the ground.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.